I'm gonna see if I can talk about time and sobriety while I get ready for the gym. The amount of time that you are sober is not what fixes anything. You literally wait around all day long and nothing happens. Waiting for something isn't the reason something does or does not happen. There's no guarantee in the waiting process. So when people put all of their attention in sobriety going, the longer I go, the more fixed I'll be, they are torturing themselves every single second thinking that the next second is more important than this one. Like in 30 days from now, I'm gonna be more sober, which means I'll be more healed. That's not how sobriety works. That's not how personal development works. Because if you're not challenging your mind, if you're not doing anything different, then all of the codes and all of the processes that are a part of you are sitting idle. And what are those waiting to do? Those codes don't work efficiently unless you're drinking. So while we're sitting here waiting around, all those codes are just waiting to fire. And it doesn't take much for you to think about alcohol. And it definitely doesn't take much for you to spike your anxiety or reminisce on your depression. And in both of those circumstances, your brain's just trying to find reason to go back to doing what it's really good at doing. Experiencing this world under an alternate reality. So this is why it's not about counting the days, but making those days count. If you continue thinking the same thoughts, feeling the same feelings, and doing the same things, then it really doesn't matter how much time you spend doing those things. Because to expect a different result, a different feeling, or a different thought, or more importantly, for you to take a separate action, is the definition of insanity. This doesn't mean that you have to change everything, because in time, everything will change. When you think a new healthy thought through practice, you're going to get a brand new feeling. That feeling is going to guide your behavior, like getting ready for the gym. Getting to the gym or eating healthy food or drinking more water is going to induce a state of being. The state of being that you're working towards with your energy is going to be the energetic state that you maintain your sobriety. Happiness. Sobriety doesn't guarantee happiness, but without sobriety, we don't stand a chance. There is a difference between being sober and your length within recovery. Some people go, oh, well, I'm 28 years sober. I'm more sober than you. Sober is sober, and you can't be more sober than 100%. And you are 100% sober, generally around 4 days. The length of time that you spend not drinking determines the level of recovery that you've acquired. How recovered are you? Time doesn't guarantee recovery. This is why so many people relapse. It's because they've done nothing and just waited for the symptoms to cure themselves. They've put in no effort. That means they're the exact same person. The exact same person struggling in the exact same way, using their willpower not to drink. You got this.